Hey guys, so let me show you the latest update for Aimogen. As starting from today, based on your requirements and requests, it is able to automatically inject Amazon affiliate links to posts from your site. So let me show you how to do this using AI. And I have here this test post. I will be injecting into this test post some Amazon affiliate links. So let me show you how to do this in Aimogen. In the AI content editor, you will be able to go to editing template manager and here search for post content automatic linking options and set this to enabled. Afterwards, the automatic linking type, set it to Amazon related products, set your affiliate ID here, the Amazon target country that you need here, and also how many links should be entered into the content. You can also add ranges like this and the plugin will automatically select a random number in this range. But now let's keep this low and let's save. So you can apply this to existing posts using manual processing or automatic processing. If you want to go with automatic processing in bulk, you can go to existing content editing and select here the constraints and run editing from here on multiple posts. If you want to automatically edit newly published posts which come to your site, you can use this part of the plugin, the automatic content editing, or we can go directly in the post editor, in the single post editor, click this AI button and click process with Aimogen. If you click this, the settings which are saved here in the editing template manager will be applied and the post will get linked. So processing the post will take around 1 or 2 minutes at maximum, and afterwards it will be getting the Amazon affiliate links that are keyword related. So here we are, the OLED's keyword was linked, and to this Amazon product it's a display, and also blue OLED was linked to so this switch which also has OLED display. So as you can see, the keywords were linked to Amazon to control also the process of the AI in which it selects the keywords. For advanced users, you can go to settings and here scroll down until you see the link keywords tab. Click the link keywords tab and here you will be able to set the prompt and the model which will be used to extract the keywords from the text from the post content using AI. So you can select the built-in method, which is simple one, and AI based method, which is I recommend to use this method. So here it is, and using this method you will be able to automatically link existing posts or newly published posts from your site to Amazon related links. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is all for today. Bye bye.